In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your WP Engine domain to Shopify in 25 with a step-by-step guide. The process may seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, I'll walk you through each stage to make it as smooth as possible. Let's start by logging into your WP Engine dashboard. Once you're in, locate and select the site you want to connect to Shopify. This sets the foundation for aligning your domain with the new platform effectively. Next, navigate to the Domains section on your WP Engine dashboard and go to Manage Domains. Here, you'll want to make a note of your domain name. Having this on hand will save you time later when you need it to set up the connection with Shopify. After noting down your domain, our next step is accessing your domain registrar. This is the service where your domain name is officially registered. Go ahead and log into your account there. It's important to do this because changes to your domain's DNS settings need to be made here. Now let's proceed to update those DNS records. Our goal is to point them to Shopify, so begin by finding the DNS records management area within your registrar's dashboard. For many registrars, this can typically be found under Domain Management or DNS Settings. When you're there, you'll start by updating the A record. Set it to point to Shopify's IP, which is 23.227.338 to K5. This allows Shopify to recognize and connect with your domain effectively, enabling your online store to be accessed through this address. Next, update the name record. This should be set to point www to shops.myshopify.com. This step further ensures that all traffic, whether reaching your domain directly or through www, is seamlessly directed to your Shopify store. Moving on, log into your Shopify dashboard and head to Settings. From there, navigate to Domains and select Connect Existing Domain. This is where you'll tell Shopify which domain you are connecting, so having noted your domain name earlier will come in handy here. Type your domain name into the provided field and click on Verify Connection. Shopify will check to ensure the DNS settings align with their requirements. If everything was set up correctly, you'll receive confirmation that your domain is properly connected. Finally, you may need to wait for the DNS propagation process to complete. This typically takes anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. During this time, your domain changes will be updated across the internet, and it's perfectly normal for there to be a delay. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your WP Engine domain to Shopify. Congratulations on setting up your new e-commerce venture. If you have any questions or run into any issues, be sure to consult the support teams for added help.